Namaste. Today I will discuss about definition and terms used in forestry. What is forestry? Forestry has been defined as the theory and practice of all that constitute the correction, conservation and scientific management of forest and the utilization of their resources. What is silviculture? The term silviculture commonly refers only the certain aspects of theory and practices of raising forest crop or and other definition of silviculture. Silviculture pertains to the establishment, development and production of forest crops. What is pollarding? This is a process in which the branch of a plant is cut off in order to produce a bush of new shoots. Pollarding is carried out at a height which is above the reach of browsing animals. And different example of pollarding. Widely adopted on salix trees in Kashmir Valley. What is looping? It pertains to the cutting of branches or even young stems that leads up to development of new shoots. It is carried out on Diospyros tambuni of beedi industry. Also in number of broad-leaved species for fuel and fodder. And example is Indian oak, Quercus incana, and Morus. What is pruning? Pruning means the cutting of branches from the bole in order to maintain the quality of timber. What is Tungia system? It was first evolved in Burma in 1850 as a mode of replanting vast thick areas. Tungia is a Burma word. Tung means hills, या means cultivation. जो भी है अपन हिमालय में जो कल्टीवेशन करते हैं उसको टुंगिया सिस्टम कहते हैं. दिस इज ए मॉडिफाइड फ्रॉम द शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन of which the labor has permission to raise crop on the land, but with this they are responsible for planting of the forest species, also for also for protection and well being of the plantation. After about 5 years or so, they are required to move the another patch to land. टुंगिया सिस्टम ये होता है जो ये बर्मा में होता है. और जो खेती करते हैं वो 5 साल के लिए एक जगह करते हैं. 5 साल एक जगह करने के बाद दूसरे एरिया में मूव कर लेते हैं. कॉपीज when certain plants or seedling are cut from near ground level, they produce a bush of fresh shoot. This is known as copicing. Seed orchards are plantations which may raised exclusively with the aim of producing seed. First is seed production areas or seed stand, which are areas set aside exclusively for the purpose. इनके सीड प्रोडक्शन बहुत सारे पर्पज होते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्पज टू प्रोड्यूस सीड ऑफ हाई क्वालिटी फ्रॉम genetically superior trees available in the stand, and second to consistent seed collecting operation in a small sphere of area. The seed stand are established by removal of the inferior trees. Seed orchard are plantation of genetically superior trees isolate, isolated to reduce pollination from genetically inferior ones. मतलब जो सीड प्लांटेशन जो करते हैं उसमें ये ध्यान रखते हैं कि पोलिने कोई किसी बर्ड के द्वारा या मधुमक्खी के द्वारा पोलिनेशन ना हो। अगर उससे पोलिनेशन होगा तो जेनेटिकली इन्फेक्शन होगा। Seeds orchard may be of two types, clonal and seedling rise from obtained from seed to superior trees. And then pricking out. When the seedling have to be kept in the nursery for more than a year, it must be transferred to beds other than the seedling beds. This is known as prickling out or to transplant small seedling individually into nursery beds or boxes. Windbreaks. It is a protective plantation in a certain areas against strong winds. It is usually composed for a few rows of trees, spaced at 0.5 to 2.5 meter apart. विंड ब्रेक वो होता है जो छोटी जो क्रॉप होती है उनको तेज हवा से बचाने के लिए एक लाइन में कतार के रूप में पेड़ लगाते हैं, उनको विंड ब्रेक बोलते हैं। इनका स्पेस 0.5 टू 2.5 मीटर होता है। देन शेल्टर बेल्ट is a wide zone of trees, shrubs and grasses planted in row, usually at right angles to direction of the prevailing winds. Its aims shelter belt होता है, उसके क्या क्या एम्स है? टू डिफेक्ट द एयर करेक्ट करंट, हवा से बचाना, टू रिड्यूस द वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रिवेलिंग winds, to provide general protection, to protect the leeward areas from the residual effects of hot winds, गर्म हवा से बचाता है ये। Then tending. Tending is a broad term given the operation which the carried out for the well-being of forest crop at any stage of its life, involving operation both of the crop itself and on its competing vegetation. Example, ये टेंडिंग जो होता है, जो एक क्रॉप पौधे को उगाने से लेकर उसकी कटाई तक जो इसमें क्रिया करते हैं उसको टेंडिंग बोलते हैं। इसमें कौन कौन सी क्रिया होती है? वीडिंग होता है, खरपतवार निकालना, किलिंग, थिनिंग, इम्प्रूवमेंट, फिलिंग एक्ट। However, tending does not include operation considering irrigation such as irrigation, filling, soil working, control burning. Then felling. Felling comprises of removal of trees either singly or in a small group scattered all over the forest. Then afforestation. Establishing a forest by artificial means on an area on which not forest vegetation has existed for a long time in the past. Reforestation. Re-establishing a forest by artificial means on an area which previously bore forest vegetation and which may have been felled or otherwise cleared in the recent past. जो पहले फॉरेस्ट होता है जब वो खराब हो जाता है, उसके पेड़ पौधे खत्म हो जाते हैं, तो रिफॉरेस्ट करते हैं, उसी जगह नए पौधे लगाना, उसको बोलते हैं रिफॉरेस्टेशन। एज क्रॉप. द एज ऑफ ए रेगुलर क्रॉप corresponding to its crop diameters. एज क्रॉप किससे नापते हैं? डायमीटर से। एज क्लासिफिकेशन. द डिवीजन ऑफ ए क्रॉप according to different in age or the allotment of woods of age classes. Then alpine. Zone of vegetation where winter is slow fall, heavy The mean annual temperature is 450 Fahrenheit and the mean January temperature below 300 Fahrenheit. In India, Himalayan at altitude above 10,000 feet, 10,000 feet. Basal area. The area of crop section of a stem a breast height when applied to a crop, the sum of basal areas of all the stems or the total basal areas per unit area. Then bole, the main stem of a tree. Then important terms is protected, protected forest. A legal terms for an area subjected to limited degrees of protection under the provision of Chapter 4 of the Indian Forest Act. Then important term is logging. Logging operation comprising felling of trees, limbing, breaking, transportation of the resulting product out of the forest timber harvesting. Then scurf. Inferious growth consisting chiefly of small or stunted trees and shrubs. Then your topic is definition and terms of forestry is complete. Thank you.